and thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up. And for anyone who doesn't know who I am Lisa with Homebody. Here on this channel, I love glam decor. However, the kick to my glam decor is I love color. I love playing around with color, yellow, green, blue, and this is my first time putting my hand in black. I love purple, I love orange, I love red. I love all colors that you can think of, and I love to incorporate them in my glam settings. Which brings me back to say, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So let me tell you what I have going on in this video. I'm going to work my way from the top to the bottom this time. Usually I just go around, but I'm going to start with the bottom, with the top. So here is a chandelier that was gifted to me by Maxim Lighting. I love it. I'll leave the link below to the chandelier. It's super, super cute. I really love it more with the lights off versus the lights on. So moving on down to the wall, the two sconces on the side actually came from Z Gallery. The wall art in the middle from HomeGoods. The two lamps on the side came from HomeGoods. My couch actually came from Rooms to Go. The pillows on the couch, the black pillows, came from Moena Decor. I'll leave the link to her website below. The two teal pillows, glam teal pillows, here actually came from Z Gallery. The heart pillow in the middle is a DIY from me. Okay, now let me just move just a little bit closer in. So the nesting tables on the side actually came from Z Gallery. I have them placed on both sides of the couch. The little heart figurine here actually came from HomeGoods. Moving on over to the mirror on the wall. The mirror on the wall actually came from Z Gallery. And the roses, the black roses, actually came from Michaels. Now, who would have thought that black would be so beautiful in a Valentine's setting / winter? Because this is my winter / Valentine's tour. Black is such a beautiful color. It goes well with any scene. Okay, so let's move back over here. So the ginger jar here came from HomeGoods. The little heart figurine here came from Amazon. I'll leave the link below to that. The pillows on this accent chair actually came, the white pillow came from HomeGoods. The teal pillow actually came from Z Gallery. The accent chair itself, I love this chair. It actually came from Pier 1, and also I miss Pier 1. Okay, missing the original Pier 1. Okay, this accent side table here actually came from At Home. And so let's move on around to the curtains, since I'm moving myself up to down. The curtains also came from Moena Decor. I don't think she's going to have these colors available quite yet, but she will have them available soon. The actual wall art in the middle actually came from HomeGoods. My beautiful ginger jar also came from HomeGoods. The stand that is on actually came from Z Gallery. The throw that's on the couch also came from Z Gallery. I love this throw. It's so plush, so pretty. And they also have pillows to also go with this throw, but I don't have the pillows. They were on sale last week for like 48 bucks at Z Gallery. Let's move to my most favorite part of the living room. I love doing coffee table stylings. The feathers, these black beautiful feathers here, actually came from Hobby Lobby. They're super cute. I love them. Now these feathers here actually came from Joann's Fabric. I love these also. Now this vase actually came from HomeGoods. Super cute. I like it because it has some gold embellishments in there, and I will be playing around with some gold a lot this year. The super cute little rose bear actually came from Amazon. I'll leave the link below for that. And this candle holder here came from Ross. The super cute rose actually came from Amazon, guys. I'll leave the link below for that. And this heart tray, this is actually a tray. It actually came from HomeGoods. My coffee table itself came from Rooms to Go. And the little boxes underneath of the second shelf came from HomeGoods. The rug itself actually came from a Bunny Rugs. And I'll leave the link below to the rug. Loves. Moving on over here to my entryway. The wall art and the sconces came from Z Gallery. The vases also came from Z Gallery. The candle holders came from Bath and Body Works. The elephant candle came from Thomas Ferrier. I'll leave the link below to that. My Ming boxes came from Z Gallery. I'll leave the link below to that. This beautiful entryway table, I love it. It actually came from Rooms to Go, but they don't sell it anymore. Wayfair has it, but it's not going to be in stock until January 20th. I'll leave the link below to this so you can go ahead and click that link. You can put your name on the email address, on the email link, and they'll email you when the item comes back in stock. So I hope that everyone enjoyed this video. I hope that you were inspired to incorporate some black in your home this year. I am loving on this black. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.